Today we're going to be taking a look at Hi-Tech Pharmaceuticals' all-new glutathione.
Yep.
Glutathione has been incredibly popular online. You were talking about a lot of talk about it on Reddit.
Yes.
I've been taking NAC for a long time, which is a precursor to glutathione.
Yep.
But
you're a big fan of NAC.
Yeah, some people use one, some people use the other, and if you take them together, they work very well together, synergistic.
Okay. And Hi-Tech Pharmaceuticals also has an NAC.
Yep.
Yep. So you could take both. Yeah. This is big in like the biohacking, for anti-aging, just overall skin health. A lot of people doing, is it glutathione or glutathione? I don't know.
I've heard of both.
Yeah. About glutathione being helpful as you age for skin health. But it's mainly due because this is a powerful antioxidant. And anytime you get a really good antioxidant, it's going to help with any kind of oxidative stress in the body, including your skin.
Inflammation is bad for everything. So if you can lower inflammation, it's good overall.
Yes. So just to give you a little background, this is a naturally occurring molecule made from 3 amino acids: glutamine, cysteine, and glycine. And it's produced in nearly every cell in the body, which is why it's good to get extra in your diet.
So we'll be running through kind of 4 of the major benefits of glutathione. Number 1, it is a powerful antioxidant. Provides antioxidant protection, and it helps neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage cells, proteins, and DNA. And there was a study published in Nutrients that highlighted glutathione's critical role in protecting cells against oxidative stress and supporting healthy aging. So a lot of the longevity type supplements are hot right now, which is why this is kind of popular. And again, that comes from a study out of Nutrients in 2021.
Okay. Next is it supports liver detoxification. So one thing we talked about TUDCA earlier in another video that is good for the liver. This also plays a key role in the detoxing of the liver. It removes toxins, pollutants, metabolic waste products, a lot of stuff that we got to worry about in today's foods and the environment out there. But this was the research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition identified glutathione as one of the body's most important detoxification modules. And this was back in 2004. So this is nothing brand new. I believe, Hi-Tech has their Cylosome delivery system, which I think it's going to enable more of the active ingredient to get into the body. So I think this is going to be one of the most effective ones out there, but it has been around for a while.
And next is immune function. That's a big one I think about with NAC and glutathione. I know whenever I'm sick, in addition to my wellness formulas, always take took my NAC, and I probably should be taking the glutathione as well. And back during that, I don't think you want to say the word on YouTube, but that 2020 to 2023 period, a lot of people were taking a lot of NAC and glutathione.
Yes, they were.
But it supports immune function. Healthy glutathione levels help regulate immune cell activity and support the body's natural defense system. And a review from Frontiers in Pharmacology found that glutathione is essential for proper immune system function and inflammatory balance.
All right. And the 4th benefit is, as we talked a little bit about earlier, but supports skin health and brightness. Glutathione has been studied for its potential to improve skin appearance by reducing oxidative stress and influencing melanin production. So not only is it going to maybe get away some of those wrinkles and aging, but it's going to brighten you up. It's going to, what's that? Everyone's kind of a bright, like
glow.
Glow, yes. But a study back in 2017 by the Cosmetic and Investigational Dermatology, a randomized controlled trial found oral glutathione supplementation, so that would be this, improved skin brightness and reduced pigmentation in healthy adults. So I think this is what I've read a lot in Reddit is just dealing with your skin and people that are trying to improve the way their skin is and everything, especially pigmentation. This could help that for them.
And a typical dose or clinical dose is anywhere from 250 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams or a gram daily. So 500 milligrams taken twice daily, so it's going to get you on the high end of that range.
Yeah, so you just take 2 a day. This will last you a month. You're going to get that clinical research dose. And again, you're getting it from Hi-Tech Pharmaceuticals with that cyclosome delivery, so you're going to get more of that active compound. So overall, great ingredient. If you're just trying to be healthier, brighter skin, reduce aging. Try it out. It's definitely something to look at. But it is available at BestPriceNutrition.com right now. If you have any questions, post them down below. That's John. I'm Jeff. Thanks for watching.